ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kumshibentaban Kyntiew ki Jaiñ Muga. Bagi Jingpynmih yang Rindia lani Research Production, Hapot Riboy District, Regional Muga Research Station, Central Silk Board, Ministry of Textile Jongka Sarkar India, Haga Jingïatrei lang baka District Sericulture Office Riboy District. Mentagasi ke Pratrik Urampang Glapilong ya ke Vania Risham Krishi Mela ha District Library Nongpo. Hagi digesngi la saki ke Jingwani Shimbenta Shidreham ha jengi nong Than Jaiñ Muga kumjuru ke Nongrep Beriun yang Rindia jong ke dong ke Than ha ke jinon lang ringkat UMLE ke Nongpo uba Miral Bonds im kumukongsan. Kihe sorkar bapher ke belawan banyadan bentalang ki Kyntiew ki scientist bagi officer ne kitrat bapher bakin thup USAS Reman scientist DRMRC Boka Ubrajendra Chowdhury scientist D CSD UBB Singha scientist D CSB Dr. KM Vijoya Kumari director CMER NTI Ladoiga RB Lingwa zonal officer bapaya ke district sericulture officer Riboy district dan Orkiwepan Habakran kumukongsan uba Miral Bonds im lapin sngoy ke jinon kam Jingïatrei lang hapading Nongrep bagi scientist na kebentaban Kyntiew ke Jingpynmih ki Jaiñ Muga hapo ke dong ke Than.
Many criteria will be there.
They have sell the product, and there is no authenticity of the product. Who is authorized to give this? Suppose now the product. This auspicious occasion, I will take this opportunity to inaugurate this exhibition on this Vania Risham Krishi Mela today here in District Library Nongpo.
Earlier there was no Muga station from Central Silkboard side or State Sericulture side. Hardly there is one farm that was used for rearing, but it is very less. Anyhow, seeing the potentiality of this area and the constraint faced by the rearer or by the Department of Sericulture and Central Silkboard due to the climate change, there was a hard time in plains to conduct rearing in summer seasons. And then we have surveyed and we found that this Nongpo is a suitable area for summer seed crop rearing. And according to, we requested the Director of Sericulture Meghalaya to give a piece of land where we can establish this P3 station for Muga. And accordingly they have agreed and they have given the land Muga farm at Nongpo for 90 years lease, and we have constructed the buildings, technical buildings, residential buildings, and now it is a full-fledged P3 stations of Muga Silgom Seed Organization, Guwahati. And here we found that as the developmental scheme were implemented in Meghalaya and Assam, and we requested to have some rearer from Mosalta area and nearby Mosalta areas, where we have got the sufficient Muga rearer, and we have converted them as an adopted seed rearer, because whatever the cocoon produced by them, we were collecting. MSS was collecting and they were producing the seed. So this was the initiation of this area for Muga culture. Though agriculture was tried long back, and this Eri farm Nongpo was the only farm where the people used to visit this farm. Now, the so many developmental schemes. Right now also there is, I think, still some of the two is being implemented. So under that scheme, the scheme was prepared basing the constraint faced by the beneficiaries, what they required, And accordingly, the scheme was prepared and it is now being implemented in the state, not only in Meghalaya, in all the northeastern states. Because the central government has given the priority for the northeast.
Ban pensisa ba uksai ubo penmui do phi la ni la ni Jaiñ ki ba thai do phi la ni ki de ban ba do uksai uba tikna bo ha bo de ma ba mata bun ba ki ba penmui ki mar duplicate namar ba yaju uksai India yaju ki Jaiñ India ki ba bun ki company ma ki group ki ba abi bantit ki ba chne ki mar ke ba duplicate. Te habale ko ju ko ha habale ni tidur pi uno bude original na bude duplicate ham ye thik tidur ba. Te mar ka ta ban pensisa ba bude uksai uba tikna bude original ba bagi di Jaiñ ke original te don kam ban ha ban register ban yo el takama Nagalian yo central state board ha ka ban Nagalian jung thi kala inde ka SAG kala inde ka group kala inde Shimet Pinsapan king sai yang kita kono beti ai hikai ni hapi maka ni ke perthai ke bukom gade ke sutu ki mar ke original e hi nong than dia pun lut kan nong kan ni kasni kan nong sni pada than tu bande kador ke bebet ke mana tar tapi hapi e pataki boy pat ke padam kam da ke balang duplicate ha be de ju de ju undor de tu nong pisa. Jadi untuk kadang dalam kami ini itu hak pergi ke bayar ya keren ya kata. Jom cuci deh harus nong tahu deh bahaya sekali deh. Itu dia pergi dalam kami itu deh. Uno saya original, uno duplicate, uno bukan saya di kar, uno bukan saya di asal dah. Udah ada. Jadi nama kata dalam kami ini berhenti ya kata. Buat register kata saya ikai nak jom ke. Departemen ke bawah distrik jom ni komungwa. Barang pay kiri kiba ki officer ki niyo ki ba juyara na to sa kapor ki ba longkung ki kpa ki kme hagan ni department banyarap ye i kinong than banyalam nanti dengan i belum ada jingwan dengan central state board mutan ski ban ai ki ban ai ki kai ban batai ki mentoy ye ki scheme ki jingara ki ni kite ura sarkar India sarkar peden ka phai khmat sa Nongrep nangne la kren na kindit hang tin pare hang ong sarkar ka persang ban ma mentang hang ban yo yang kijimut nabi deulon babatai lani penteri kam hapo ndre de lopi la trai ki bi ai batai ta ka dau se program lo kenge njing bakwa lopi kini ro snap ki ngut jo ke ban le lam la ri kong lungwa ri wa ram pe ha ke snoi ki jingut kam ki lopi ki nang ban sne ya kita di project di scheme na ka ban ta ki jingut toy chumpi batang kuwi kwa banong kungki Nongrep kiri kinong kuwi kinong kupas abala di kuni lase maiti di ba la terus itu la chei ti long hi chi ti yu chi mene ang ni der ka ta hab ye cha hab ye apply hab ye chem hab wat ti kata ka de ka kong san kata